Good morning to all. Today the concept is transformations of multiple random variables. Consider n random variables xn where n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on n are continuous or discrete or mixed. Now define another set of random variables where yn equal to n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on n by yn equal to tn of x1 minus x2 and so on xn where n equal to 1, 2 and so on n where the transformations tn can be linear, non-linear, continuous, segmented and etc. So the transformation can be in the form of linear or non-linear or continuous and segmented etc. Assume that the random variables yn are produced by a single valued continuous function tn having continuous partial derivatives. Also a set of inverse continuous function, that is tn inverse such, tn inverse that, xn equal to tn whole inverse equal to y1 comma y2 and so on yn where n equal to 1 comma 2 comma and so on n. So here we are going to be define the transformations of the multiple random variables by considering the different random variable cases. And next topic is linear transformations of Gaussian random variable. So consider n Gaussian random variable where yn equal to 1 comma 2 comma and so on n having a linear transformation with set of n Gaussian random variable xn where n equal to 1 comma 2 comma and so on n. So the linear transformation can be written as y1 equal to a11 into x1 plus a12 into x2 plus and so on plus a1n into xn where y2 equal to a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus and so on plus a2n xn. Yn equal to an1 x1 plus an2 x2 plus and so on plus ann xn where the elements aij inj equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 are the real numbers. So here, so this one ij, so I equal to 1 and j equal to 1, here I equal to 1, j equal to, here I equal to 1, j equal to n, like that here. So I equal to 1, j equal to 1, I equal to n, j equal to 2, I equal to n, j equal to n. This is how you are going to be represent the elements. So therefore the transformation in matrix form is y1 y2 and so on yn equal to a11 a12 and so on a1n a21 a22 and so on a2n an1 an2 and so on an and x1 x2 xn. So the transformation t is where t equal to a11 a21 an1 a12 a22 an2 and so on a1n a2n ann. Therefore so y equal to transformation of x also with the mean value of x and y, that is y minus y bar equal to transformation of x minus x bar and x minus x bar equal to inverse transformation or inverse y minus y1. So these are how you are going to get the values by transformation of the linear transformation of the Gaussian random variable. Okay, in this session we have studied the transformations of multiple random variables and a linear transformation of Gaussian random variables. Gaussian random variables. Okay, and thank you.